What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Wallet. And now once you open Google Wallet, make sure that you are signed in using your Gmail account. And once you have signed in, you can simply click on Add Payment Card or simply click on Add to Wallet. So I'm going to click on Add Payment Card. Then you have now to choose Payment Card on the top right here. And after that, it will show you this page right here. And now if you want to see which cards are available on your region, you can simply click on this blue sentence right here. Or if you want to add a new card or a debit card, you can simply click on this plus sign right here. So now I'm going to click on this plus sign right here in order to add a payment card. And now you have three options. Actually, it depends on your region. So sometimes you will have two options in order to add your card, or three options, or even only one option. So here in my case, I have, as you can see, two options. You can scan the card. If you choose scan card, it will ask you to take a picture of your card and they will add the details of your card automatically. Or you can simply get your card and make it touch the back of your mobile and it will be scanned and also insert the data automatically. Or you can simply click on enter details manually and enter all the details of your card manually. So here, as you can see, I will enter the details manually, and after that you can simply click on more, then choose save and continue, and you have to enter your postcode right here. Then it will show this page. You can simply click on more, and after that will show you this page. And now what you should do right now is simply choose how will you verify. You can simply sign in to the bank app in order to verify your card, or you can simply make them send you a code on a text message on your phone. So you can choose whatever you want, and after choosing the verification method, you can simply click on continue. Now here in my case, I have chosen the first option. So now I'm gonna type the code that they have sent me, then click on continue. And after that, you can simply set Google Pay as your default. So I'm gonna click on set as default down below right here. And now if you want to pay using Google application or Google Wallet, you can simply use it when you are in front of a terminal. You will see this page on the terminal right here. Then you will have to get your mobile and just make it in front of the terminal. And after that, it will show you sign that the payment has been successfully done. And you will see in the terminal that you are processing the transaction. And now let's get into another thing in the application. Now, if you go and open your application and choose any card that you have added, you can notice that you have two account numbers. One is your actual number of your MasterCard, and the second one is the virtual account number, which is made by Google itself in order to make it more secured. Now, let's say that you want to use some loyalty rewards or even a gift card. What you should do is to simply click on this option right here. Then after that, it will show you this page. Now you have to choose the loyalty or gift card. Let me choose loyalty, for example. Then after that, it will show you all the brands. You can simply choose whatever brand that you want. Then after that, you can simply use the loyalty reward that you want, and you can actually do the same steps when using the gift card, but instead of choosing loyalty, you are going to choose gift card. Actually, you can do more things using Google Wallet. You can use it in order to pay for transportations, because some transportation methods support Google Wallet in some countries. And you can also buy some tickets using Google Wallet, and you have also the option of payment of some stuff or some restaurants using the Google Pay. As you can see here, I can have the payment method Google Pay, and you can simply click on buy with Google Pay. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.